When you think of gut-friendly foods, yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut probably come to mind. But there's a lesser-known hero quietly waiting to transform your digestive health. Fermented apples. Packed with probiotics, enzymes, and bioactive compounds, fermented apples are more than just a tangy treat. They're a natural gut health booster that can improve digestion, strengthen immunity, and even enhance nutrient absorption. In this video, we'll explore the overlooked superfood in your kitchen. What fermented apples are and how they're made, the science behind their gut-healing powers, nutritional benefits beyond digestion, how to make them at home and creative ways to add them to your diet. Fermentation is an ancient preservation method where natural bacteria and yeasts break down sugars in food, producing beneficial acids, gases, and probiotics. When apples undergo this process, their natural sugars are transformed into lactic acid and other compounds that give them a pleasantly tart, slightly fizzy flavor. Contains live beneficial bacteria including Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, hence it is probiotic rich. Fermentation reduces natural fructose levels, thereby lowering sugar content. Certain vitamins and antioxidants become more bioavailable. The gut health connection. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. A balanced microbiome supports digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Fermented apples contribute to this balance in several ways. Number 1. Probiotic power. The fermentation process populates apples with live cultures that help restore healthy gut flora. These probiotics compete with harmful bacteria, support the intestinal barrier, reduce inflammation in the gut lining. Number 2. Prebiotic synergy apples are naturally rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria already in your gut. When combined with probiotics from fermentation, you get a symbiotic effect, probiotics plus prebiotics working together for optimal gut health. Number 3. Improved digestive comfort. Regular consumption of fermented apples can reduce bloating and gas, improve bowel regularity, enhance nutrient absorption from other foods, beyond digestion, whole body benefits. While gut health is the star of the show, fermented apples offer a cascade of other benefits. Number 1. Immune system support. A healthy gut microbiome is closely linked to a strong immune system. Probiotics from fermented apples can help your body respond better to pathogens. Number 2. Blood sugar regulation. Fermentation reduces the glycemic impact of apples, making them a healthier choice for individuals managing blood sugar levels. Number 3. Antioxidant boost. Apples already contain polyphenols such as quercetin, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Fermentation can enhance antioxidant activity, providing additional protection against oxidative stress. Number 4. Heart health. The combination of fiber, antioxidants, and probiotics may help lower cholesterol and support cardiovascular wellness. While most research focuses on fermented vegetables and dairy, emerging studies suggest that fermented fruits, such as apples, may offer similar, if not unique, advantages. A few precautions. Start slow. If you're new to probiotics, begin with small servings to avoid digestive discomfort. Watch the salt. Homemade ferments can be high in sodium. Adjust if you're on a low-salt diet. Allergies. Rare, but some may react to certain bacterial strains. How to make fermented apples at home. Making fermented apples is surprisingly simple. No fancy equipment required. Ingredients: 4-5 organic apples, avoid wax-coated ones. 1-2 tablespoons sea salt, non-iodized. Filtered water. Optional: cinnamon sticks, cloves, or ginger for flavor. Steps: wash and chop. Cut apples into slices or cubes, leaving the skin on for natural yeasts. Salt brine. Dissolve sea salt in filtered water, about 2% salt to water ratio. Pack the jar. Place apples in a clean glass jar, add spices if desired, and pour brine until apples are fully submerged. Weigh down. Use a fermentation weight or small clean jar to keep apples under the brine. Ferment. Cover loosely and let sit at room temperature for 3-7 days, tasting daily until desired tanginess is reached. Refrigerate. Once fermented, store in the refrigerator to slow fermentation and preserve flavor. Pro tip: use organic apples to avoid pesticide residues that can interfere with the fermentation process. Fermented apples are versatile. Here's how to incorporate them into your daily meals. Breakfast boost. Add to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie bowls for a probiotic kick. Salad upgrade. Toss into green salads for a sweet tart crunch. Cheese pairing. Serve alongside aged cheeses for a gourmet snack. Sandwich topping. Use in place of pickles for a unique twist. Gut-friendly dessert. Layer with coconut cream and granola for a healthy parfait. To some, fermented apples are more than a tangy snack. They're a gut-healing powerhouse that combines the natural goodness of apples with the transformative magic of fermentation. By adding them to your diet, you're not just feeding yourself, you're nourishing the trillions of microbes that keep you healthy from the inside out. So next time you're looking for a natural, probiotic-rich, and delicious way to support your digestion, remember, the secret might just be sitting in your fruit bowl. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel Microbe Masters for more insights into the microbial world.